EURUSD, simple trading tips for beginner traders. On September 19th, US session back forecast EURUSD, simple trading tips for beginner traders. On September 19th, US session trade review and tips for trading. The premium article will be available in 000019.09.2025 p.m. The premium article will be available in 000019.09.2025 p.m. Trade review and tips for trading the euro. The first test of 1.1768 occurred when the MACD indicator had already moved far below zero, which limited the pair's downward potential. The second test of 1.1768 coincided with MACD being in the oversold area, which allowed scenario 2 buy to materialize, but no significant rally followed. News of a sharper than expected decline in German producer prices had a negative impact on the euro. The decline in prices will benefit the country's economy, and fresh articles are available only to premium users. We analytics in early access, getting information first. Get best MetaTrader indicators, profitable expert advisors.